Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Ankur is there, no? Good morning, Mr. Akshat. Are you also there? Ankur, your brother is in class 10th, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
He's not attending classes. Anything wrong? Everything fine?
मैम अब कर रहा है.
बेटा इतने दिनों से तो एक दिन भी नहीं करी है, हमने तो देखा नहीं उनको क्लास में. आज कर रहा है क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But then what was the reason why he was not doing?
मैम पता नहीं.
अरे आप लोग एक साथ ही तो रहते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Then चलिए, can I have the cameras open for some time for everyone? Akshat, Vansh, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pratyush.
Ma'am, I'm good.
Good. How is Rashmi
Good
Didi?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ji-
She's also good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
So,
morning,
Akshat,
ma'am.
good morning, Adarsh. Akshat is a new admission. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Jaskirat, good morning. Jaskirat, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am.
Good. Very nice.
Yeah.
What about your studies?
What about you, ma'am?
I am also fine, Bachi. What about your studies?
Good, ma'am. Nice.
Nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Going
Yeah.
well? Going well?
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Have you purchased your books?
Yeah, ma'am.
Fine. Let others also come by that time. See, we are we have completed this chapter. Explanation part, topic wise, everything we have done. So today we'll be doing some flow charts that we have, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, class? Shreya?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Just tell me whether I have given you any flow chart in the beginning or not for this history chapter. Have I given you? Class?
No, ma'am.
Adarsh? Is Adarsh there in the class? Adarsh Kashyap. Adarsh.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Doing good.
How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. When my bachas are fine, ma'am ultimately is fine. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me, Pradyush, no flowcharts were given no in the beginning?
No, ma'am. For history days, ma'am, no flow charts.
Fine. So let us do one thing. I am sharing the screen with you all, and with that, please have your history notebooks with you so that you can directly draw the flowcharts in the notebook. Unnecessarily, your time will not be wasted. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. All right, ma'am.
Fine, fine. We have one more class today. Right. We have one more class today. So we'll be in that class. I'll be
Combined class.
I think there is a combined class. Fine. So we'll play a quiz from this chapter. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. Fine. So just give me a moment. I need to share the screen with you all. Shri Shivankar, how are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Can we have cameras open for just 5 minutes so that I can see at a glance who all are there in the class? Okay, Prachi. Adarsh. Beta, you are from which school, bache?
Madam, me?
Yes, you are a new admission, no?
Yes, ma'am.
From
Ma'am,
which?
I am in. I'm Bishop.
You were in Bishop, right? Okay. Okay. Bishop, which one? That Dona one or the Kent one?
I'm Harunagla, near the Green Park.
That child care, Bishop child care.
I'm child care Bishop, Conrad.
I know, I know. Okay. So for how long you were there in that school?
2 years,
Huh?
7th and 8th.
7th and 8th.
I'm 2 years, 7th and 8th.
Okay. So that means last lockdown, last to last year and the lockdown year, right?
Ma'am.
Okay. So was there any Kulpreet ma'am in the school?
Ma'am, Kulpreet.
Yes. Kulpreet Kaur, she
Ma'am,
was the English teacher.
Ma'am, which class? मैम मुझे तो कभी नहीं पढ़ाया.
Acha, maybe then not. Okay, fine. So Pradyunsh, feeling sleepy?
Yes, ma'am.
Feeling sleepy?
Yes.
Okay, good. Prachi is very fresh, like a morning glory, right?
Yes, ma'am. Have to be.
That's a good thing, no? Okay. What about Ankur?
Ma'am, my brother is still sleepy.
I know, I know. Okay. Manjot? Lavish. Beta, I'll be taking attendance in a short while. Let me share the screen first so that you start doing your work at least, okay? I hope this chapter is all clear and understood to you all. Anything that is not understood, please ask, okay?
Ma'am, everything clear.
Ma'am, everything is understood.
Ma'am,
Chapter-
I think this was the first chapter in history which I really like.
and it is very interesting as well.
Ma'am, the lengthiest chapter also.
Beta, all the chapters in class 9th and 10th are lengthy like this only. 20, 20, 25, 30
Ma'am,
pages.
this chapter really sounded like a story, a good story.
Even the next one will sound like a story, though I want to start one chapter that was a common chapter, like class 8th also you have done that tribal revolts and all, no? So I wanted to start that chapter initially because that is an easy chapter, but because last year it was deleted from the syllabus, so I thought maybe this year also they will go for the same. Now can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. this whole thing do in 2 pages, but then they need to be side by side. Okay. This is a one single flow chart which will make you understand what exactly was the French Revolution about, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Carry on. And once you are done with this flowchart, please share it on the class group with your name in the PDF form, right? In the PDF form.
Ma'am, this is the only page?
No, no. This is one flowchart. Then we have 5 more, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. And by the time you are doing this, I'll take the attendance. I'll just get my attendance sheet over here. And please do let me know if I miss out on any of the names, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Right. We have others in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the date today?
Ma'am, 24.
24th of May.
24.
Okay. Abhinav Gangwar, not there. Abhinath, not there. Akshat Sharma. Akshat Sharma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Arush, Ankur, Aryan Bhardwaj,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashish Yadav, Bushra. Bushra has taken TC or she's still there in the school? Any ideas? No. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Divyank Misra. Is Divyank there? Divyanka Verma. I think she joined the class. Divyanka. No, she's not there. Divyansh Jain, not there. Diya Gangwar, not there. Ishan Johri. Jaskirat, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Okay.
Ishan Johri present.
Ishan Johri is also present. Very good. Is there any Jatin Banga in your class?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Does he joins the classes?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Karthik Gangwar, not there. Lavish Patel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Madhav Paul. Is not there. Prachi is there. Pradyunsh is there. Priyansh Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Purvashi. Rakshit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How is Drashti Didi? Okay. Rishabh Gangwar, not there. Rohan Rastogi, not there. Rohan attends classes?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, because in my class, not even a single day he has come.
Ma'am, he attends sometimes, but ma'am, that too, he is not active.
This is not done. Sameer Yadav. Sanidhya, today Sanidhya is also not there. Both the friends are.
Ma'am, I think ma'am they are sleeping.
Yes.
Yes.
ये सही जवाब है.
Ma'am, Sanidhya always attends classes.
He is always there. This is what, no? Shaurya, not there. Shreya. Shreya, are you there, beta? Yes. बेटा श्रेया एक बार कैमरा खोलेंगे बच्चे. I want to see which Shreya is this. Shreya,
No, ma'am, I can't.
क्यों? The camera is not working. Just focus on your face. No, I just want to see which Shreya you are. There are so many Shreyas in class 9th. So I get confused.
Ma'am, I'm Shreya Singh.
Shreya, बेटा चेहरा तो दिखा दो बच्चे. If I'm guessing it right. है ना?
Ma'am, I'm sitting upstairs right now.
What? What
I'm
happened?
sitting upstairs, ma'am.
I am.
Sitting on stairs.
Even Prachi is sitting on the bed. Does it make any difference? Tell. Just for a moment, Shreya. Okay. Shrey Shivankar,
Present, ma'am.
you also open your camera. Ursula is not there. Yugraj is not there. Yugraj, are you there? Shivankar, camera to kholo beta. ठीक है. Fine. And is Yugraj there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you open the camera?
Okay, ma'am.
Manjot is there in the class? Okay. Yugraj. Yugraj, you are Mehek's brother, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you are Yugraj Singh, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And where is Mehek Didi? Attending her class? Is she there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Which class you are going on with?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which class?
Ma'am, English.
Huh? English?
I'm English literature.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Carry on, carry on. Right. Then we have Yuvraj Singh Gill. Once your name is not mentioned here.
Ma'am,
What?
actually, I'm new in this section.
Your section has been changed.
Yes, ma'am.
When?
Ma'am, around 10 days ago.
10 days back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because your name is written in the 9th A list.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Ma'am,
what
I have taken permission from principal, sir.
to change the section.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, 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 fine. I'll see to it. Don't worry. Okay, so I need to add your name. Anybody else whose name I have not taken but is there in the class? Huh? So there are in total 36 or 37 students, right?
Yes.
Shreya, I'm waiting for you to open the camera. Jaskirat,
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार कैमरा ऑन करो.
Ma'am, opening in 2 minutes. Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes.
हाँ, no issues. Waiting here. See, this flow chart has covered the names of the philosophers, their books that were written by them, plus the estate division which was there, right? Who all were the privileged people. Everything is given over here, right? I think almost 3 or 4 paragraphs of the chapter of that page, which is after the first one, almost all those 4 or 5 paragraphs have been covered. Even the struggle to survive, the next topic that you have, that is also covered in this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी जसकिरत. Okay, good. All set, huh? Fine. Vanshraj, what have you sent to me?
Ma'am, this is the flow chart you have done earlier.
Beta, this is not the flow chart. This is the subsistence crisis boxes that you did, no?
Okay.
Okay. This is this exercise we will do. This is, I think with A section we did it, no, one day?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, fine, fine. So we'll be doing it with this class as well. तो आप ये रख लो अपना पास safe. But then you need to, are you drawing this flowchart that I am sharing it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Carry on. Very good.
Ma'am, is it necessary to make the boxes, ma'am, because my lines are not going straight?
That is completely your choice. That
Okay,
is,
ma'am.
you can, you know what you can do? You can even use different pencil colors to segregate the topics that are there. Like middle class that they have given, this is one topic. So you can use different color for making the boxes or highlighting it, whatever you want. Don't use dark colors. Don't use sketch colors. Use the pencil colors to highlight the words so that you know that this is one topic that has been covered over here. Then John Locke, Jean Jacques Rousseau, Montez, these are the philosophers. You can use different color to highlight for your understanding, right? Then the estate the estate divisions that are given, society division, for that you can use different colors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually my copy is small, so I did use different pages. On one page, the estates, then I'm on the middle class on the second page.
Beta, I told you to use two pages side by side. Reason being, this is one single flowchart that describes the French Revolution during the 18th century.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, this is my rough copy. I'll do it in the fair copy.
Okay, fine, fine. See, try to do everything in the fair notebook because you will save on your time. We are utilizing the class time period, no?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I just write in a
Ma'am,
hurry.
I'm
That's
doing
why.
in fair copy only, ma'am.
Very good, very good. See, my motive is so that you don't have to, devote extra time for your this work that is being given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. ये कल के दिया है। Jaskrit, are you making? Jaskrit, are you doing?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you doing?
Yeah.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Next one, shall I share?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, next one. Now we have the second one and the third one. Try to do the second one first, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, this is second flow chart.
Yes, second flowchart, the outbreak of the revolution.
मैम यहाँ पे मैम थर्ड वाला भी है कोई फ्रांस
हाँ
बेकमा
बेटा, अभी बहुत
मैम
सारे
वो
आए,
अलग
वो अलग है, उसको उसके साथ नहीं बनाना है। थर्ड वाला इज अ डिफरेंट वन, ठीक है।
मैम
हम्म।